Welcome to Hokkaido, 47. The Gamma Private Hospital provides cutting-edge medical treatment for the global elite, outside the law if required. The facility is partially run by an artificial intelligence system known as KAI. The AI oversees patient admission to various areas in the hospital and even participates in some medical procedures. You will find Erich Soders in the operating theater, undergoing a pre-surgery regenerative stem cell treatment, a highly controversial procedure, yet to be approved by Japanese authorities. Yuki Yamazaki has already arrived. You'll find her in her suite or roaming the restaurant and spa areas of the hospital. Soders is scheduled to be put under soon. Let us make sure he stays that way. Good luck, 47.
Hello, Mr. Reaper. As part of the service here at Gamma, your personal room has been outfitted with a radio frequency identification chip. The device will unlock and allow access to your personal suite.
Hey, you!
Maybe you can tell me, is it true the boss was connected back in the day?
Did you follow the big child? Well, I was away, you know. I'll be here with Richard. Spent a lot of fun together.
Okay. If anyone's there, identify yourself.
Sorry, sir, I can't let you through. Got my orders.
What's up with the sudden limp on our resident yoga master?
I noticed that. Heard him complain about it on the phone, too, talking to his doctor.
I think he overstretched.
Mr. Jason Portman, please come to the hospital entrance. A doctor will escort you to your checkup. That was for Mr. Jason Portman. A doctor will escort you to your appointment. Please proceed to the hospital entrance.
"47, I have intel regarding the pilot.
Oh, stop that right now, sir! You can't just...
No, no, no! Ah!
Okay, we need to man up.
We are go. Head out.
Oh, okay.
Stairs are clear.
Man, got some strange noises here. Looking into it, over.
No?
Unhand that corpse, sir!
Someone's been hurt. It looks really bad. You fucking...
Oh! Take off his head. Lock and load, gentlemen. Jeez! Christ's sakes. What?
Man, we've got a rotten apple. This guy's a menace. Shit. Requesting backup.
What?
We have a situation and I need you to stay calm. What? Come on, you read? We've got another situation. Oh shit. Oh no. Look, we are beefing up security at the moment, sir, so I'm afraid I can't let you through here.
Test subject. Besides, if he had to go through proper channels, it would take years to get cleared for human testing.
Tried a donor heart they brought in last night?
Yeah, doesn't the curator have it locked up in the organ vault?
Yeah, I mean, but you can see it through the glass. I just can't stop watching it. You know? It's eerie. Shape and arteries all reversed like alien.
Just don't think about where it came from.
Yeah, I know. It's probably some tragic accident. I feel horrible, but...
Excuse me, did you have anything to do with this mess?
No way.
Damn.
course, I've thrown all my cassettes away.
Sorry, Doctor, you'll need to find another way through here. I can't grant you access.
I'm sorry, my mind was wandering off. It's just...
Listen, Doc, this is off limits, even for you. So please turn...
I can just feel every...
It's me.
That is the right-sided donor heart destined for Soders. This is what he sold out the ICA for.
Hello, Doctor.
I take it you're enjoying yourself here.
I feel extremely lucky to be part of such a talented team, so I work as hard as I possibly can.
Good day, Doctor.
Make sure you don't get distracted with irrelevant things. That's one of the reasons we're interested.
Huh? Please stay back. What? Man, pick that up, will you? Damn.
No details in place.
Oh, not in the mood for playing games.
I do still wish we'd be able to put it into someone younger. So, my friend, it must be quite an experience. Coming to Gamma. I mean, you were in a...
Come on, give me a break.
Oh no, please don't!
Soders on the operating table, and no hope of getting a second right-sided heart in time, you have effectively killed him without laying a hand on him. This should be a clear message to anyone considering following in his footsteps.
Oh, shoot! I can see.
Whoa! JHQ, how... Copy. Over. Someone's...
Hey, so you're the curator's researcher.
Help!
That is Erich Soders, former training director at the ICA. Regrettable.
Huh. Okay.
Hey, bro.
Thank you for not smoking. Thank you for saluting the zeitgeist. Bunch of yes men.
What the?
Huh? What in the...
Jeez.
Wait, there he is. The director. Better catch him now.
Miss Yamazaki, I trust your people are satisfied.
Our people, director. Don't forget.
Suck it in.
Clearing your operating schedule. It is paramount.
Looking good, man.
Huh.
What are you waiting for? Go! Come on! Chop chop!
Oh, okay.
I don't know. I can't find the thing.
Okay, now don't come bothering me again.
Hello, sir. Have a lovely day.
This is all so standard. Excuse me. Could I ask you for some fuggerol?
Thousands of apologies, miss, but hospital administration has put a ban on publish. There was an incident only last week. A kitchen apprentice.
Well, I'm sure you can make an exception this once.
The rules are the rules. I assure you.
I'm a lawyer. I see them more as a set of guidelines.
I just...
Mr. Bodyguard?
Any way to run a service. I mean, it's my parents paying for all of this.
Well, that is interesting.
Can we talk? He's stable. Pre-surgery stem cell treatment. The actual transplant is not until tomorrow. Chief surgeon says chances are good. If you don't mind me saying so, sir. We are jumping through a lot of hoops for a new operative. I know you have had Soders in your sight for a long time.
That's both targets down. Time to find an exit. We're done here.
I've always felt like she loved doing that in front of the cameras.
Oh, yeah, between you and me.
That's a little harsh, isn't it? A total ban?
Yes, a good situation. You should see it.
Yeah, what's going on?
Miss Burnwood.
That's not what my ticket says.
We received your message. Loud and clear, I might add. Honestly, you could have just sacked the poor guy.
I didn't catch your name.
No, you didn't. There'll be no retaliation, not for Soders, nor any other recent fiascos. Someone's been meddling in our affairs, killing our operatives, and making the ICA look like fools. I think you got close to that someone. Closer than we've ever been. That's why we're hiring you to take him down.
I don't think so.
Don't rattle our cages, Miss Burnwood. You really have no idea.
You spy on us, bribe our people, and you have the gall to demand our help. No. You can't be trusted.
Even so, we've been around for a long, long time. I think we could help each other. Some 20 years ago, your agency took in a young man with no past and extraordinary skills. In his own special way, he cares about you, and vice versa. And ever since that time, you've never stopped wondering where he came from and who made him what he is.
There was a doctor. Some depraved experiment. But he's gone now.
Ah. Well, if you believe the questions died with him, we have nothing further to discuss. If not, as I said, I think we could help each other. Partners, then. Cheer up, Miss Burnwood. We are the lesser evil. This terrorist. He wants nothing but chaos.
He's only a terrorist if you win.
Miss Burnwood, we won a long time ago. This is maintenance.